what's going on, everybody out there in YouTube land? Thank y'all for coming back, and welcome to all the new people. Hit that like, that share, and that subscribe button for me. Today, I'm back with a package. My sponsors have sent me a new 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 180 centimeters, or 3 feet by 3 feet by 5 feet 10. So what I'm doing today is an unboxing of this tent. So bear with me as I give a shout out. Marshydro TS1000 LED grow light modern style type panel. The TS1000 is equipped with 342 LEDs with only 150 watt of true output, making it more scientifically and energy efficient. Marshydro grow tent, and the size that I'm reviewing today is 24 inches by 24 inches by 55 inches, or 60 centimeters by 60 centimeters by 140 centimeters, or 2 feet by 2 feet by 4.5 feet. All right, so I've already opened it, and now I'm about to pull out the contents of the tent that's in here and go through everything that's in the box. Well, first thing we know, as usual, we have our stickers. We have a bag of end connectors, as always. We have a user manual. We have a patch kit and straps, just in case you develop any light leaks, you can patch them up. We had a connecting post, for the top, the bottoms, and the sides. And we have the actual tent itself. This is everything that was in the box. Let's just slide the plastic out of that. There you go. Of course, we have a floor tray. It goes at the bottom on the inside of the tent. And then the actual tent itself. So that's everything that's in the box, and I will be doing a video of putting this tent together. So once again, let's go over what we have. We have one tent cloth. That's this right here. We have a floor tray. We have the filter straps. That's the filter straps right there in this bag. We have the corner adapters. So the corner adapters. And we have the framework support. And this is the framework support. Okay. And if you take a look here, this is the instructions on how to put it together. Very simple. And I will be doing a video of putting it together. Tent size is 3 feet by 3 feet by 6 feet. So it says here in the manual. Or 39 inches by 39 inches by 70 inches, or 100 centimeters by 100 centimeters by 180 centimeters. The vent sizes on it is 2 by 8 inches or 2 by 20 centimeters. The micro mesh window is 1 by 10 inches by 10 inches or 1 by 25 by 25 centimeters. It has a door quality, one front door on it. It weighs 10.4 kilograms or 22 pounds. It supports 50 kilograms or 110 pounds. And the recommended light is a TS 1000, but I will be using the FC 3000 series in this tent. I want y'all to check out my video of me putting it together and a more in-depth review on it. So just keep a lookout and hit that like, that subscribe, and that notification bell so you can be notified when I do put out that new video of me putting this tent together and reviews of this tent. And also I'm doing unboxing of the light, which is a FC 3000 series, and a review on that light, as well as me hanging it in the tent. So keep an eye out for those videos, because those videos will be coming real soon. And once again, I want to thank y'all for watching.